Gentlemen, happy Saturday. And the Super XL back together. I did end up porting it. Late last night I was out here. I got the cylinder all done and I forgot to take video and photo for you guys to see, but whatever. I'm a little too far now. I don't feel like taking it back apart. So I got the handle left to put back on, flywheel, blah blah blah. Carburetor. We're getting there. Getting close. Nobody's really commented or said too much, but if you guys want to see more in depth, like step by step of this stuff, just let me know and I'll actually invest in a tripod and get it set up and do like a time-lapse thing or something. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. It's all back together for the most part. That's over here cleaning parts. I think we decided on that cover, but we're gonna go test fire it and see what happens. Got high hopes. Well, as you guys can no doubt tell from that last clip there, it seems to run pretty well, pretty high. Granted, it doesn't have a bar and chain on it. It's not in wood. It's just, you know, I get it. But it seems to run all right. But it definitely needs the crank seals put in. I was going to do it while I had it apart, but I didn't have a set here. And I got excited anyway, put it together. Definitely needs those crank seals. We'll get them in maybe, I don't know, maybe next weekend. I'll take it back apart and we'll do that, get the crank seals in, and then we can go test it out in wood. And we might even throw the pipe on there and see how it likes that. I'm happy for now. At least it runs. Sounds pretty strong. But I noticed I was just chasing the tune the entire time, just going up and down and up and down and up and down, and it's like, obviously something's wrong. You hold it on its side when it's at an idle and it dies. So that tells me I should have ordered the crank seals. But whatever, we'll get to it next weekend. But thanks guys for watching. See you next time.